Hello and welcome back to channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to change a shroud and also a heat sink or convert into this kind of fan. This fan is from GeForce GTX and this is from a 780. It's not 980 Ti. This card is actually is one of the customer. He wanted to change he wanted to add a fan actually because he bought it off eBay, and this card came actually without the fan or this cover. So we try if this is the similar. I think this is the similar. Let me try. I'm pretty sure they're gonna be fit in the proper place because it looks kind of same. The only difference I can see, because if we put on top like this, the heat sink could be the different. But what we do, we can, because this heat sink, if you see that it's a flat like this, and the 980 Ti heat sink is kind of edge like that. So because of this port is slightly longer on the 980 Ti. So let me take it off. So I'm taking off these kind of this is tops, I think, star type. We just remove actually from this heatsink to see if that goes properly or not. And it should come out. Might be a couple of more screws. Let's open this front. Okay, well, that's coming off, hopefully. Yeah, okay, so basically this thing slides out. This is a heatsink for the 780 Ti, just bear in your mind. And so what I am thinking, this a fan directly, if we can install, take out the fan from here, 3 screws, install it there, and also the cover. So we don't need to put the back plate, actually, just the top, these covers only. So let's see how it works. This one has the screws here. This is for the light GeForce GTX, and also it goes like this, and also the fan. The fan, basically, now this is very easy now. As you can see, this fan gonna go there. We have to remove this plate complete from these screws on the 980 Ti, and we need to install the fan from the back of this plate, 3 screws here, and then after that we can remove this casing, as a couple of more screws to put here because it's the same fitting. It's the same fitting, as you can see. Absolutely same fitting. And you might be able to see where 2 screws here on the 780 and 980 has got a 2 screw fitting as well, with a small heatsink on the back. Here is a fan. You can take out the fan from with the 3 screws here out and install the fan to this plate, but on the other side we have to dismantle this card as well, but that's simple anyway. That's only 3 screws, that's it. Install the fan here, and this cover goes, this is for the light for GeForce GTX, and that goes from that connection. You might be able to see that in the camera where my finger is, and this is go there. And then after that, you have already, let's suppose you have already a fan installed on the plate, and you need to just plug in like that into the position here. Look, the design is matching as well, and also the screw fitting is same as well. As you can see, the screws fitting on this plastic is sitting there on the 980 Ti on the original fitting, so that stays like this if the fan is there. And this is, sorry, yeah, that goes like this. So basically this part goes first here, and this is a glass thing, which you can put under there. Here. And put the screws down there, and also fan has to be installed first. Then second number is this front, and third number is here. And yeah, sitting there. Yeah. And finally, from the 780 Ti, last piece is this plastic, and then remove this plastic with a couple of screws on this one, and then take this plastic up here, and it's ready to go. That's how simple it is. It's gonna be fit on the same place as 785. Obviously it will show you GTX 780 on the body, but you can ignore it because you're going to use it inside the computer anyway. It's not sitting on the table most likely. So that's how you can change the shroud and also heatsink or fan, convert it with the cheap 780 or 780 Ti cards to a 980 Ti EVGA. That's gonna be the same actually. So that's how it works. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye.
Thanks for watching Universal Information and Entertainment TV. Please like and subscribe our channel for more updated videos, news, information and entertainment. See you in next video. Stay tuned.